Today we are making whole wheat pancakes for Mother's Day. We're going to top them with some warm caramelized apples. And this is a cozy, nourishing breakfast that's perfect for this celebration or any other special morning. Enjoy! To begin this recipe, go ahead and add your whole wheat flour to a bowl. Then you're going to follow that up with some baking powder. And I put some protein powder in it for an extra boost of protein. Then for some moisture and protein, I add a half a cup of Greek yogurt, some honey, and then we're going to put 2 eggs into the mix. Then we're going to add some melted butter, and we're going to stir all this together until it's really well combined. Now let's peel and slice our apples. These will be the warm caramelized topping for our pancakes, so we want them to be nice and thin. Next in a pan, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to let it melt completely until it gets bubbly and wonderful like this. Then add your apples and some turbinado sugar. Give them a good stir and let them caramelize for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. I'm going to ladle the pancake batter onto a griddle pan. If you make a lot of pancakes, this pan is invaluable. I bought this on Amazon and it lets you cook 3 to 4 pancakes at a time and really saves you a lot of time in the kitchen on like a Saturday morning when everybody's hungry and wants lots of yummy pancakes. So definitely consider this if you're going to be making lots of pancakes in the future. So then we're going to let them cook for a couple minutes until the bubbles on the top form. Now that the pancakes are nice and bubbly, you can flip them over and cook the other side until they get that beautiful golden caramel color. These pancakes are just the right thickness, not too heavy and perfectly fluffy. Then I like to serve 3 on a plate. And that's a serving, 3 pancakes. Then go ahead and spoon over the caramelized apples. This is where the real magic happens. The warm apples, the butter, and that light caramel come together and take these pancakes to the next level. After the apples go on, I like to sprinkle a bit of granola over the top. It adds a nice crunch and makes every bite a little more interesting. And of course, we want to drizzle some warm maple syrup to bring it all together. It's a warm, cozy, and just the right amount of sweet. These pancakes are such a comforting way to celebrate Mother's Day or any other morning that deserves something a little extra special. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope your day is filled with love and good food. And if you haven't already, please hit the like, subscribe, share, and all that good news. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Enjoy. This video is dedicated to my mother, Deanna, who is now in heaven. Wishing her a happy, heavenly Mother's Day. She'll always be in my heart.